Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with New York Life Insurance easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by understanding your financial goals. Identify your income sources and list all your expenses. Categorize your expenses into fixed and variable costs. Calculate your total monthly income. Subtract your total expenses from your total income. Determine how much you can allocate toward life insurance. Research New York Life Insurance products that meet your needs. Consider factors such as term length and coverage amount. Use New York Life's online budgeting tools for guidance. Reach out to a New York Life agent for personalized advice. Ask about different policy options and their costs. Evaluate the premium payment frequency that suits your budget. Adjust your budget to include insurance premiums. Review your budget regularly to accommodate changes in income or expenses. Make adjustments to your life insurance coverage as your financial situation evolves. Ensure you are always aware of any additional costs or fees associated with your policy. Stay informed about potential benefits like cash value or dividends with certain policies. Finally, commit to your budget and stick to it for long-term financial stability. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.